South Africa mobile car wash businesses. We have all seen mobile car wash units washing cars in parking lots, but did you know this can be a small business perfect for those in emerging markets to start? It can be started on a shoestring and in doing so provide upward mobility to many startup entrepreneurs. One recent small business future entrepreneur asked, "I was just wondering, what sort of machine do you use on the back of the vehicle to wash the cars? Do you clean them with a high-pressure machine or do you use labor to wash and rinse the vehicles?" A small-time entrepreneur in Mexico may use a bucket of water and a sponge. Some in Venezuela use small steam machines and wipe down the car with rags. In Dubai, we saw a couple of young men cleaning using dry wash. I recommend that a small-time operator perhaps start this way and save money to buy a very small pressure washer and a little tank or barrel to put onto a cart. As money is saved from each car wash from the profits after paying for supplies and helpers, then eventually a vehicle can be bought and then put into a pickup truck. If you do use a machine, what kind of machine do you use? We recommend the use of pressure washers and labor, as typically it takes both, and pressure washers to conserve water and are faster in the wash process. The Karcher company has the best machines which are sold in South Africa, although there may be other less expensive units available through importing or buying online at wal-mart.com, and a small business person in such a country will have to check on what is available. Do you guys clean the inside of the vehicles or do you just do the outside? If you clean inside of vehicles, you will need a portable energy source, generator and vacuum, which costs much more, but people like that a lot. If only outside, it is much easier. How did you approach the businesses to get to clean the vehicles at their premises? Did you approach the owners? Did you put flyers out, or did you start by just going to persons that you knew? Generally, we go up to a potential client and say, "Hey, do you want your car washed?" If they say yes, then give them a fair price and do a very nice job, and you will have a satisfied customer who will do it again when it gets dirty and refer you to others who have cars who wish them to be cleaned also, and then you can develop customers and a route around the town or city. You should ask people you know, of course, if they wish to have their cars cleaned, as that makes sense too. We must promote small businesses in all nations, both rich and poor. For those nations with less opportunity, a mobile car wash can be a stepping stone for those willing to work hard, so they can be on their way and journey from rags to riches, and we need to promote small businesses and commerce in all nations. Think about this.